In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ClickUp error auto_069 step by step in a simple and safe way. This is a common ClickUp error that can appear when an action fails to sync properly, when the page times out, or when there's a temporary connection issue. The good news is that in most cases, this error can be fixed in just a few minutes without any advanced troubleshooting. If you use ClickUp daily for task management, automations, or team collaboration, this video will help you get back on track quickly. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this one. All right, let's get started. First, let's talk briefly about why the ClickUp auto_069 error happens. In most cases, this error appears when ClickUp tries to run an action, such as updating a task, triggering an automation, or saving a change, but something interrupts the process. This could be due to a temporary network issue, a browser glitch, or a momentary problem on ClickUp servers. Because of that, the first fix you should always try is simply retrying the action. So if you see the error message on your screen, look for the retry option. In many cases, ClickUp will display a retry button directly in the error message. Click on retry and wait a few seconds to see if the action completes successfully. Often, this is all it takes and the error disappears instantly. If the action completes after retrying, you're good to go and no further steps are needed. If retrying the action doesn't work, the next step is to refresh the page. This helps reset the session and reload the data correctly. To do this, simply refresh your browser tab using the refresh icon or by pressing the refresh shortcut on your keyboard. After the page reloads, give ClickUp a few moments to fully load your workspace. Once everything is loaded, try performing the same action again, whether that's updating a task, running an automation, or saving changes. In many cases, refreshing the page clears temporary bugs or syncing issues that cause the auto_069 error. If the action works after refreshing, then the issue is likely just a temporary glitch. If you're still seeing the error after refreshing, try logging out of ClickUp and logging back in. This step isn't always necessary, but it can help reset your account session and resolve lingering issues. After logging back in, return to the same task or automation and try the action once more. It's also a good idea to check your internet connection while doing this. A weak or unstable connection can cause ClickUp actions to fail and trigger errors like this one. Make sure your connection is stable, then retry the action again. In most situations, simply retrying the action and refreshing the page will fix the ClickUp auto_069 error. These are quick, safe steps that don't affect your data or settings, and they're always the best place to start. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the ClickUp error auto_069 using simple steps that anyone can follow. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tips, fixes, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.